nothing.
Hi guys, welcome back to Johnny Time. Today I bought some subs. You want to see my subs?
Yeah, we got really good subs.
They're the best subs.
What?
Tanjiro.
Tanjiro with a sword? What's the other one?
What's the other one?
Nisku-chan. You got Nisku-chan and Tanjiro? What?
Yo, what? I ordered subs.
Okay. At least I'm going to see what my gift card to the Subway is.
Yes.
I'm going to show you guys my gift card.
Look out.
What?
Danganronpa stickers?
Danganronpa stickers? Nugito? Wait, Nugito?
Yo, show them Makoto.
Rontaro?
What does that say?
What? Rontaro? You got that wrong. Mew? And another Mew? Kokichi, Kibo, and Kaede?
What?
What?
I got
Another Nugito?
Oh my god! Fortnite 147!
Another Nugito.
Yo, we got PlayStation 5 by the way.
A Leon? A Danganronpa?
Oh yeah.
Another Danganronpa one? Another like
Guys.
Kazuichi?
I just got this. It's not your turn.
I'm unleashing, showing them my Subway card.
I know.
My
We got
Hajime with Makoto. I need that, Jeremiah. Give me it.
When? We bought Subway.
Kayotaka? Sodom?
Soda.
Magic. Himiko? Ibuki? Chiaki with Kyoko?
What?
Tenko?
What?
Another Himiko? Gundam?
Oh my god, is that
And-
Sunday? Is that Sunday?
And Sayaka. This is our subs, and this was my Subway. All of the part of my Subway card, Bill. This is not a Subway.
Ouch!
Are you okay? This is not a Subway card. And these
I'm
are our
okay.
subs.
Okay. Oh my god. Fortnite Boy 47 arrived for this video.
You want to see my Subway card?
Look at Fortnite Boy 47, y'all.
Cameraman? You want to see my Subway card, cameraman?
Fortnite Boy. Get out. Get out, boy. Get out.
No, don't look at that. They're brother and sister. They're brother and sister. No, they're brother and sister. That's just very disturbing.
What happened? Hey, you guys want to see something even more disturbing? I need that chair. I needed that chair. I literally needed the chair. You see my missing tooth? Oh my god! Do I hear another dog?
Other dog?
What? We have another dog?
Another dog?
What?
Well,
Yankee, we know okay. We forgot to tell you a long time ago. We got a new dog!
Her name is Milady. Milady, say hi.
She's there. We just got her.
Oh my god. I missed the chair.
She's so soft. Oh no, look, she's putting me down. I got her.
This is Milady.
So how I'm scared of bugs. She's cute. How do you like her? Nisku-chan. Look at it. Look at it. Look at her. Look at Nisku-chan. What is this? Wait, I have to do it. Okay, we'll leave now. We'll put for some reason we'll just put the phone right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye. Whoa.